Hello, and welcome to the third video of Korean lessons. This video is going to be a simple short video. I'm going to teach you how to say thank you and sorry in Korean. Casual version of saying thank you in Korean is 고마워. I'll repeat one more time. 고마워. Unlike the casual version, there are two ways to say thank you in a respectful version of Korean. First, you can say 고맙습니다. One more time, 고맙습니다. The other way is to say 감사합니다. One more time, 감사합니다. They both have same meaning, so you can use either one to thank others in a respectful version of Korean. Now we will learn how to say sorry in Korean. Casual way to say sorry in Korean is 미안해. I'll repeat one more time. 미안해. Just like the expression thank you, there are also two ways to say sorry in respectful version of Korean. First, you can say 미안합니다. 미안합니다. The other way to say sorry respectfully is 죄송합니다. One more time. 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다 is generally used more often than 미안합니다. But both words have almost the same meaning, so you can use either one. Again, you should use casual version only when you are talking with your close friends with similar age or young children. Except for these cases, try to use respectful version. In the next video, I will teach you about Korean alphabet, which is called Hangul. Thank you. If you would like to watch more Korean lesson videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.